Hi, so today I have a quick Excel challenge for you. I want us to be able to determine how many employees are assigned to each manager, and this can be determined by the employee IDs. So employee ID, you can be able to see has been separated by a semicolon. So semicolon will help us to deter the number of employees attached or assigned to each manager. So there is a function or formula that we can be able to use to deter that. But remember, at each and every ID, at the last ID digit, we don't is not separated by a semicolon. So that uh, uh, will ensure that we add one so that our the function that we will apply will be able to count the last digit. So equal sign, then len, uh, then we sign the cell, then we close it, then we minus the lens, the len that does not have the semicolon, we substitute comma, then double quotes, then semicolon. So we're gonna pull that data separated by the semicolon, then comma. Remember, the last digit would be counted as text because it is not separated by the semicolon. So we add the double parenthesis, then we close. So if we leave it that way without adding +1 at the end of it, so let's see what will happen. So it will only count uh, uh, three digits or three IDs, leaving the fourth ID out. So because of that semicolon, so it will say finance manager has been attached or has been assigned to three employees, which is not the case, but we want to get it right. So that's the reason why at the end of our formula we add 1. So if we add 1, then the formula is able to count the number of employees now fully attached to finance. So try this and let me know, and share, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Thank you.